Now I'm going to put the box. One thing to know is here is the back side because of the antenna. The car has antenna. Antenna, here, back. Here, different. This is the back. Hold. Straight. Just a little bit. Straight. I open the door, step here. If you still cannot do it, you open the different, you go to the other side. Boom. You start the trip. When you do 20 kilometers, you stop, open, check, 1, 2, 3, 4. And go. Because they might lose a little bit, maybe. So it's better only the first 20 kilometers, double check. Then never again. Every time you put a box on the roof, after 20 kilometers, you check. Then never again. And now we set the time. How much time do we need to take out? I showed you before, time to go in, now time to go out. Time finish. Now my assistant will show you how it looks under.